In this video, we'll show you how to drill through concrete and install tapcons. If you're going to be installing wood to concrete, you'll want to use wood drill bits to get through the wood. Masonry bits don't go through wood well. Once you have the hole in the wood, you can go ahead and put in the masonry bit. Make sure the bit is longer than the screw you're going to be putting in. If the hole is too short, it won't work. You also need to pick the right diameter masonry bit so it will fit the correct size tapcon. There's 2 sizes of bits and 2 sizes of tapcons. Just make sure that the thick bit goes with the thick tapcon. It may seem like a simple mistake, but I see it all the time. Here's the thinner masonry bit. You can see it fits the thin one, not the thick one. Now that you've got the correct bit, you'll need to chuck it up into a hammer drill and make sure that you have the hammer drill function selected. Now it will work without a hammer drill, but barely. I paid about $12 for this hammer drill at Harbor Freight. It really is worth its weight in gold when you're going through concrete. If you try it both ways, you'll see. Now a cordless screwdriver will work really good to install the tapcons. Make sure that you install the right bit for the right tapcon. This is a number 3 bit that fits the bigger tapcon. Now the thinner diameter tapcon fits a number 2 Phillips bit. The right bit makes a big difference. They also make hex heads for the tapcons. Here's a 1/4 inch drive to fit the smaller diameter tapcon. There's also a 5/16 head socket. This fits the bigger diameter tapcon. With all these options, I keep the bits and the drivers with the tapcons themselves. This will save you a lot of time. Tapcons really hold well. This double helix design really grabs into the concrete. The only downfall is they are expensive. Those are the basics on how to use and install tapcons. Well, I hope you have found this video useful. And if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.